Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's simple video I'm going to show you how we can create our first simple lines into our first objects. So first of all, we are at our AutoCAD at the moment, and what we need to do is click on Draw on top left corner and pick a line. As you can see, straight away we have some kind of specific first point, then we have annotations, and what we want to do is as you can see, you can also read it from the line, from the command line on the bottom, and you can just click first time, and now we move with our cursor. As you can see, this is the line that we are playing with at the moment. So I can basically put the other end of this line wherever I want to. So what else do we see? The actual length. If I press F12, I won't be bothered with anything. If you really want to, well, I don't really see a scenario where you don't really want to use the F12 bar, where it shows you the length and the angles, since you can see the length, and on the opposite side, as you can see, underneath the line is the angle. So then I'm gonna click again, and line is born. But now I'm kind of stuck in making another line. We can see all the angles. That's a beautiful way. So I'm gonna click again, and then maybe I want to go like this, and now I want to go like this. Right now, as you can see, the AutoCAD is moving me automatically to another endpoint. So I want to click the endpoint. I strongly don't recommend you just clicking here, but I'll show you that in other video. It's always good to go from endpoint to endpoint. You will see the small green little box, and that's where we want to aim. Once we are finished with our drawing, we hit enter and we are done. Now the AutoCAD is ready for our second project or second line, second, really whatever you want to put. AutoCAD is now ready to start a new drawing. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.